In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove search history in Canva. If you've been using Canva for a while, you might have noticed that your search history can get cluttered, especially if you experiment with different design elements. Clearing out this search history can tidy things up and improve your overall experience. Let's dive in. First, let's go to the Elements tab in Canva. When you're in a project and you're looking to enhance your design with various elements, such as graphics, icons, or illustrations, this will be your go-to place. You can find the Elements tab easily on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on it opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to search for specific items to include in your design. Next, focus on the search bar located at the top of the Elements section. This search bar is where you input keywords to find the items you're interested in for your creative project. Perhaps you've typed in many different things while searching for design inspiration, and now you want to clear that history. Simply click inside the search bar and you'll see the previous search queries you've entered. Now comes the crucial step, clearing your search history. While you're still in the search bar area, you'll notice a clear button. This option is conveniently placed to help you manage your search space efficiently. By clicking on clear, you're essentially wiping the slate clean, removing your past search items. It's a simple step, but tremendously helpful if you're looking to refresh your workspace or start anew without the distraction of previous searches. If you're wondering why this might be helpful, consider this. Aside from making your workflow smoother, it also enhances the speed at which Canva can fetch new suggestions relevant to your latest projects. It declutters and optimizes your design process, making for a more enjoyable and efficient creative experience. Remember, regularly managing your search history in Canva can save you time in the long run, allowing you to focus your efforts on crafting stunning designs without unnecessary distractions. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, these simple steps offer a practical way of ensuring you maintain a neat and organized digital workspace. And there you have it. In just a few steps, I've shown you how to keep your Canva search history nice and clean. This small habit can make a big difference in your overall designing process. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Keep designing and have fun exploring all the creative possibilities Canva has to offer.